Alright, so outside HD Teamwear printing and embroidery. This is where I'll be getting my vest from. Printed and embroidered. Anything you need from them good people, just give them a shout out there on Instagram. Yeah, I think they're everywhere to be fair. But yeah, man, we're gonna get busy. I'll show you some bits and bobs. Every day to make that smaller as well.
Like that.
Yeah, maybe just a bit lower.
A bit lower.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to stop.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. This is the amount on here.
Do it by height usually. So you got. I'll probably do it about in reference to what you've got currently.
That's the back, yeah?
Yeah, that's the back.
Yeah.
So maybe 60. Then that would take the whole logo. Yeah.
Yeah.
60 or 70. Obviously, if I make it 60, it looks smaller because it does the width, the height to the bottom of the text.
Okay.
So the main logo is smaller. So if we do it 70,
70, yeah.
the main logo would probably be like 55.
Okay.
And then the text.
Perfect. And
So
front wise?
65 on the back.
Yep.
And then, was it 70 on the back?
It was 70 on the back, so 55 logo and then text width.
Do you want it slightly smaller on the front?
Uh,
Or do you want it matching? So I can do 70 on the back and then if I do 60 on the 65 on the front?
no, we'll go 70, match it.
Yeah, match it. So 37,
Yeah.
37, 7 and 7. You're
Are
3
you
7.
can remember those numbers?
Yeah, I'll write it down.
3 7s.
Lucky, innit?
Yeah.
37, 7 and 7.
No, that was space. Maybe.
That's without any space then.
So what's the one up from no space?
5, not much.
10? I see, that would look cool. So you can see the letters clearly, quite clear.
2020.
Yeah.
So you got 2 different arcs. You got like that kind. There's an arc, or you've got arch, which keeps it straight.
Wait, so what was the first one?
So one's arc, so the letter, this angle,
Yeah.
or you've got arch, which will keep it straight. So all the letters are like vertical, but the other one is kind of.
It kind of slants it.
Yeah, so each letter will be like.
Which one do you think is better?
I always go for arch. Then you can read it better.
Do you think?
It's what you normally do with like the more like the retro kind of products.
Yeah. But arc looks cool, man. Now you're showing me arch. How did I? See, I didn't put the letters there, man. That would have been the difference.
I've currently got it on arc, not arch. So that's how. It's how much arc you want on it, because that's quite subtle. Obviously, you can do like more.
Yeah, see, I'll probably go for more. So that's got more of a bend around the belly.
Like 30. Or I can get more. So that's 100.
No, 100. Let's go 40. Okay, so yeah.
35. Did you say that? That's with arc. You see like 2 different effects to change it.
Ooh.
So that's what it is currently, but it's not as big an arch. And then that one's the
Right, so
same.
which one do you like?
I normally go for this one. I think that one looks better.
It does, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's just a font now.
Do you think the font's made it? It's because it looks like it's like more. I don't know. It just looks more appealing than that one.
Yeah, it suits it better than that.
I think that this is your made. It made itself.
I'm going to answer your question. So we made that 37. The height is 92.
Okay.
The 92 height.
So, how thick is that? 92 height. What, millimeters? Or
9.2 centimeters.
yeah, sweet.
I feel like the whole logo, not the height of the letters.
That would be the whole.
Yeah, so if you look at this band, it measures the band as well.
Right, so as you see, my boy Andrew in the cup helping me bring my designs to life. I can do the drawing and everybody and the creativity flow, but when it comes to bringing it to life, you gotta let people in the field do their thing. You understand? But yeah, man, we're working, man. So I'll probably, by the time this is out, I'll probably have the vest. I'll probably show you, man, going to get it and whatnot in the next episode or next another day. You get me? But yeah, man, litness, man. We're working slowly but surely, man. Pardon me. But yeah, man, big up yourselves and big up everybody, man. Yo, love and blessings, man.
Oh, okay, see you here.
It'll catch everything. Aye. Let me mock my director friends. I'm a cameraman now. I'm a cameraman. I'll play God.
Get me, see the squeeze in that. You understand? See the squeeze? If you get the back view on that. Pause.
Yeah, yeah. No, we can see the squeeze, bro.
You see the squeeze, yeah?
Yeah, bro. The squeeze is very obvious there. Like anyone that watches this in the future, they'll know that the squeeze was there. Yeah. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna start charging £5 an hour. I hope everyone can see the squeeze.
Huh?
I hope everyone can see the squeeze.
Same, I hope everyone can see it, man.
Tighten it a bit more, tighten the top a bit more. Yeah, yeah, the squeeze is there, bro. They can see it, bro, they can see it now, the definition. You're doing your thing, man. You're doing your thing, you're shining, man. Well done, man. I'm proud of you. This is your gaffer. You know who you look like right now? What's his name?
Eddie Murphy?
No, you look like...
Will Smith?
No, footballer. Lacazette.
Oh, here we go.
If I put a picture of Lacazette right now...
No, we've been there already. I've been called Lacazette millions of times, but...
proper look like
When it was
Lacazette.
firing, I didn't mind, didn't it?
Proper
But
look like Lacazette right now with a hair like that.
when he was,
With a hair like that. That's all. You don't know why you look like Lacazette. The real reason, the beard, bro.
yeah.
Brother. You watch football, right? You know Lacazette, right?
Yeah.
Does he not look like Lacazette slightly, bro?
Oh, bro.
You get me?
You, man.
It's not just me, bro. The street said
see
it.
it, I see it.
You see it? It's
Yeah,
the beard.
yeah,
It's the beard. It's the beard.
The face shape as well.
You know what I'm
innit?
saying? If you
Yeah.
didn't cut your hair now, you get me, brother? Come on, man.